What's up guys, welcome back to Unbox Junkie. My name is Matt and today we're looking at another TREBLAB product. This one is the XR500 wireless Bluetooth headphones. Typically they go for about 80 bucks. They're on sale for $40. Not only that, but I am gonna be giving this pair away. Now they are sweatproof and they are waterproof. Long battery life up to 9 hours. That's pretty good. So that'll definitely last you through your workout, pretty much most of your day. Now it is running off of Bluetooth 4.1. It does have passive noise canceling and they're saying that they have true HD sound. So they're supposed to sound really good, and if it's anything like TREBLAB's other products, I'm pretty sure it's gonna be pretty good. Standard TREBLAB case, very good, and blop, goodbye. Instruction guide, don't need it. Very tiny USB to micro USB cable, that's all you need. Okay, so first off, you've got various low blogs. Oh, and somebody did leave me a comment the other day asking if low blogs was the official term for these, and if you ask me, it should be the official term, but no, somebody a long time ago gave me that. One of you guys actually gave me that, and I've been using it ever since. They almost feel sticky almost, they're so soft. Look at that. They're so squishy. And then you got some basic low blogs. Oh, and then you got a cable clip. So we've got the flat cable, goes around the back of the neck. We've got the flappy. I love the flappy. This means extra comfort. You're not even gonna feel that. You've got the ergonomic curve for the ear hole, which is always good. There's your micro USB port. Then you got your plus and minus at the top. This must be the multifunction button. Cool. All right, well, let's power it on. See how they sound. Oh, you can see the LED light on it. See that? Right on the front. Can't forget the shake test. Uh-oh. That one's coming out. Oh, no. Oh, no. Let's try it one more time. Let me make sure it's all nice and receded into my ear holes. It didn't move that time. Okay. They look nice. They're nice and slick. Okay, cool. Let's pair them up. The XR500. Connected immediately. That was fast. Okay, cool. It's got good sound. I think that there's gonna be a little bass in this one. Wow. I'm kind of surprised to hear that kind of bass come out of these type of earbuds. That's pretty good. Very nice. All right, let's check sound quality. Here we go, vegan burgers. Oh! So loud. It sounds really good, and not only that, there's no lag in between what I'm seeing and what I'm hearing, so that's really good. Also, let me check the back pocket test. I'm moving. It's not breaking up. I'm gonna do a distance test. I'll be right back. Okay, thank you, Rhett and Link. I appreciate your assistance. Okay, so I got about 23, 25 feet, and then it started cutting out. Okay, so let's make a phone call. Hello? How do I sound? Do I sound like I sound good? Oh, cool, okay. All right, well that is all I needed then. So she said that it sounded like I was just on the phone, which that's always a plus. If it doesn't sound like I'm actually using a device, then that's definitely good for microphones. I'll start with the cons. The only thing that I don't like is I wish this was a little bit more adjustable. Put that wire in there to where I can just kind of form it a little bit. That's not that big of a deal. Other than that, it's all pro. Okay, so based off the new scoring system, remember, I'm not going so easy as I used to. So 0 or 1 being the worst it could be, 5 being normal, what you would expect, and 10 being like outrageously fantastic. Highs, mids, and lows, I'm gonna give them all a 6. They sound really, really good. They're definitely above average. Maybe like a 6.5 even, almost a 7. Comfort-wise, they're very comfortable. I love how TREBLAB puts in the extra low blogs, not just additional sizes, but also different styles. In this case, the memory foam, and these are great. If you do use these, you're gonna notice there's a lot better seal in the ear, but you'll also notice they'll be a little more stable because that softness, it kind of like almost sticks to your ear, so you won't have to worry about it falling out when you're exercising, working out, running, doing whatever. I'm definitely digging them. So if you're looking for sports earbuds, TREBLAB, they seem to be a good place to go to. TREBLAB really knows their audio. Okay, so the real reason why you guys stuck around, and that is to get yourself yourself this pair. Now, yes, I'm gonna give this pair away because I don't have a second pair. This is what they sent me. Don't worry, I'm gonna package them up nicely for you. The only requirement to actually enter into the contest is to subscribe to the channel. Everything else is optional, but the more you do, the more entries into the contest that you have, which will increase your odds of winning. It is an international contest, so anybody can enter. All right, guys, that is it. I'm gonna leave links in the description down below. Definitely go check them out for yourself, but as for now, get out of here.